Hi everyone, this is supporting sustainable growth at Americana Café. As Americana Café expands across state and international markets, it faces several operational challenges that must be addressed to sustain long term success. Rapid growth can make it difficult to maintain a consistent corporate culture, effectively manage virtual teams, and deliver structured training programs. Without strong systems in place, the organization risks communication breakdowns, inconsistent customer experiences, and lower employee morale overall. Research by Robbins and Judge, published in 2019, emphasizes that successful expansion depends on strong leadership, structured communication, and intentional culture management. To support this growth, Team Training and Videos Incorporated, has developed a comprehensive proposal focused on strengthening corporate culture, improving virtual collaboration, and implementing structured training and team building initiatives. These strategies will help Americana Cafe grow while maintaining brand integrity and operational excellence.
Preserving and incorporating corporate culture. Strengthening corporate culture during expansion. Corporate culture is the foundation of any successful organization because it shapes employee behavior, customer interactions, and overall brand identity. According to Shane, culture is built on shared values, beliefs, and assumptions that guide how people behave within a company. As Americana Cafe expands into new states and potentially new countries, it becomes even more important to clearly define and protect its mission, vision, and core values. Without intentional reinforcement, inconsistencies between locations would weaken the brand. To prevent this, we propose developing a professional corporate culture training video. This video would clearly communicate the company's service philosophy and expectations. It would include real life customer service scenarios, teamwork demonstrations, and problem solving examples. By modeling these behaviors from the beginning, employees will gain a practical understanding of how to represent the brand while maintaining professionalism, hospitality, and teamwork across all occasions. Ensuring cultural consistency across locations. To further protect corporate culture during expansion, we recommend implementing the Culture Ambassador Program. Selected managers would receive advanced training focused on leadership, development, and brand alignment. These ambassadors would reinforce company values during onboarding sessions, staff meetings, and performance evaluations. Leadership plays a critical role in maintaining culture, especially during periods of growth and change. While international locations may adapt certain practices to respect local customs, a company's core values must remain consistent. Additionally, regular culture assessments and employee feedback surveys will allow leadership to monitor alignment and address concerns early. Through strong leadership, accountability, and continuous reinforcement, Americana Cafe can maintain a unified corporate identity across all locations.
Hello, everyone. So, my part is conducting effective virtual team meetings. My name is Lechowicz, and let's get started. So, the virtual team challenge. As Americana Cafe expands geographically, teams are now operating across different time zones, cultural contexts, and communication environments. Without structured systems in place, organizations can experience misalignments, inconsistent execution of company policies, and reduced employee engagement. Research shows that virtual teams perform best when communication is clear and language barriers are in place. Our structured communication plan. To address these challenges, we recommend implementing a standardized communication system across all locations. First, Americana Cafe should adopt to centralized communication platform. This ensures consistent messaging and reduces confusion across the regions. And then we could also Have all the virtual meetings follow a structured agenda. Each meeting should include operational updates, performance discussions, and strategic priorities, and time for open dialogues. So, because your teams operate in multiple time zones, meeting schedules must promote fairness and inclusion. We recommend rotating the times, doing distributive scrum methodology, and additionally, we propose monthly cross-location leadership forums. These forums will allow managers to share best practices, discuss operational challenge, and celebrate success. Encouraging open dialogue builds trust and strengthens organizational cohesion across geographic boundaries. Transparency is another essential component of success in virtual collaboration. We recommend implementing shared performance dashboards that track key metrics such as customer satisfaction, sales performance, and employee retention. When employees clearly understand how their efforts contribute to organizational success, motivation and engagement will increase. Transparency will strengthen accountability and reinforce a new culture of performance and excellence. So, by implementing all of these things, these strategies will strengthen collaboration, improve accountability, and preserve the high performance culture that defines our brand. Thank you and have a great day.
Comprehensive training and team building program. Structured training and development. A comprehensive training program is essential to ensuring consistent employee performance and development. Our proposal begins with a structured onboarding process that introduces new employees to corporate culture, surface expectations, and operational procedures. This onboarding experience would include the corporate training video, interactive learning modules, and customer service simulations. These simulations allow employees to practice real world scenarios, which strengthens both confidence and skill retention. Beyond onboarding, we recommend quarterly professional development workshops. These workshops would focus on communication skills, resolution strategies, performance improvement techniques, and leadership development. Continuous learning improves employee knowledge and performance while also preparing managers to lead effectively during expansion. Team building and recognition initiatives. In addition to structured training, team building and recognition programs are essential to long term success. We recommend quarterly team building activities that strengthen communication, collaboration, and trust among employees. Cross location virtual challenges can also encourage healthy competition and create stronger connections between teams in different regions. Employee appreciation events and recognition programs should highlight outstanding performance and publicly acknowledge individual achievements. Recognition boosts morale and reinforces a culture of excellence. When employees feel valued and supported, they are more engaged, and committed to the organization's mission. Overall, by investing in structured training and meaningful team building initiatives, Americana Café can improve productivity, enhance customer satisfaction, strengthen its corporate identity, and reduce employee turnover.
Okay, and then lastly, in conclusion, as Americana Cafe continues to expand, growth alone is not enough. Sustainable success depends on structure, leadership, and consistency. By embedding corporate culture into training, standardized communication practices, and investing in ongoing team development, the organization can protect its brand while strengthening employee engagement. These initiatives are not just operational improvements, they are strategic investments in a long-term profitability and organizational excellence. With intentional planning and strong leadership, Americana Cafe is well positioned for continued success around all of their locations. Thank you.